I've had this broken window for some time. So now I'm removing the quarter round, taking all the glass out, and then I taped off the window and started. Yeah, that feels so good. Got it all cleaned out, and then I needed to get it all put on the gloves and get all the rest of the window out. Then I sawed out the rest of the frame, all the diamond shape. After sawing all the pieces out, then I went ahead and pulled the rest of the frame out, and then I had to sand the frame around and then clean it up, wood putty, whatever I needed to straighten it out, and sand it, stained it, and it looks great. I had the glass made and brought in, so it was professionally installed. They did a great job. Oh, but listen, watch this. Just kidding. They did a great job at putting this in, and so now I have to put the trim in, and so I have a tool, really handy tool, and it cuts it at the angle it needs to be for the frame, and then it just is really cool. Put all 4 pieces in, and away I went. Now the door is complete. I put up the blinds, and there it is, front and back. Thanks for watching.